Okay, good morning children, 7th class students. How are you all of you? Are you fine? Okay. Have worked out in last class? In last class we discussing about that fractions, the types of fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, proper, improper, mixed unit fractions. Are you learned those all? Okay. Now today we are discussing about that conversion of fractions. Conversion of fractions. That means conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction and conversion of mixed fraction to improper fractions. Already you know that one in your earlier classes. We will revise one time that one. Next, first of all, conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. How you want to convert that improper fraction into mixed fraction? First of all, we want to know what is improper fraction. Improper fraction is the numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fractions. Already I told in the last class. I am taking one example of improper fraction. For example, 7 by 5 is an improper fraction because of 7 is greater than the numerator part is greater than denominator part. We call this one improper fraction. That improper fraction we can convert into mixed fraction. How can we change it? First, the 7 by 5 means, what is the meaning of 7 by 5? The 7 should divide with 5. When we divide, what is going on here? See there, the 7, 5 with 5. So, with 5, how many times it goes to 7? Only one time. 5 was 5. 5 to 10. It is more than 7. So, it goes only one time. 5 ones are 5. And by 2. What is the remainder? 2. So, here 1 is a quotient, 2 is the remainder, and 5 is the divisor or say denominator. You can call it the denominator or divisor also. So, here what is the quotient? Quotient is 1. What we get it? Quotient is equal to 1. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. What is the denominator? Denominator is 5. Next, look at here. That 7 by 5 is equal to, first of all, write the quotient part. What is the quotient part? 1. And the remainder is, what is the remainder here? 2. You can write this, the 2 as in numerator plus 2 by, what is the denominator? 5. So, 1, 2 by 5. 1, 2 by 5 is, 1 is a whole number, 2 by 5 is a proper fraction. Already, yesterday, I told that what is an improper fraction? The combination of whole number and proper fraction is called an improper fraction, mixed fraction. Combination of whole number and proper fraction is mixed fraction. So 7 by 5 is improper fraction. After convert that one 2 by 5 is a mixed fraction. So improper fraction is converted into mixed fraction. One more example. 9 by 2. One more. 9 by 2. Second example. Example 2. 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means how can you see that? In 9 by 2, that means to divide the 9 with the 2. How many times it will come? 9 in 2 table. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 times 8, 2 5s out 2 5s 10. It is more than 9. So it will goes in 2 table 5 4 times 2 4s 8. What is the remainder? 1. What is the remainder? 1. That means 4. So what is the quotient here? Quotient 4. Remainder 1. Denominator 2. Quotient 4. Remainder 1. Divisor or denominator. When compared fraction form, 2 is the denominator. Here divisor. So the 2 is denominator or divisor also. Now you can convert that 9 by 2 is an improper fraction because of 9 is more than 2. Numerator part is greater than the denominator. This is an improper fraction. I can convert into mixed fraction. First you should write the quotient part. What is the quotient part? 4. What is the remainder? 1 and by 2. 4 1 by 2. So 9 by 2 is improper fraction. And after convert this one, 4 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. See there, improper fraction convert into the mixed fraction. How can I convert it? Are you understood, children? So 7 by 5 is 1 2 by 5 is improper fraction. 9 by 2 is improper fraction. That means 4 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 7 by 5 is improper fraction. 1 2 by 5 is a mixed fraction. 9 by 2 is improper fraction. It converted into mixed fraction as 4 1 by 2. It sometimes directly can write off also. Listen here. Okay, children. I'll repeat. See there. Indirectly, how can you write it? Without division, how can you write that improper fraction into mixed fraction? For example, example 3. 8 by 3 is there. How can you convert that 8 by 3 is an improper fraction? Yes, sir. 8 by 3 is improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. How can I convert it? See there. In 8, out of 8, how many 3s are there? Out of 8, how many 3s are there? Without division, I will go for that. In 8, out of 8, how many 3s are there? There are 2 3s are there. Yes, 3 2s are 6. There are complete 2 3s are there. The 2 should be right in whole number part. Then 3 2 6 there. 6 is gone already. Then how much is left here? 8 minus 6, 2 will be there. The 2 will be right in numerator part by. Then what is the denominator? 3. 8 by 3 is 2, 2 by 3. You can write it. And one more. Similarly, 14 by 14 by 5. 14 by 5. How can I write it 14 by 5? Now once you see that. Out of 14, how many complete 5s are there? Out of 14, how many complete 5s are there? There are 2 5s are there. Because of 3 5s 15. It is overplus. The 15 is overplus of 14. So it won't be 3 5s completed. But 2 5s should be there. 2 5s are there. The 2 should be right in whole number part. 2 5s how much? 10. So after 10 will be subtracted from 14. 10 is 5 is 10. After 10, how much will be left there? 4. 4 will be left. 14 minus 10, 4 will be left. And what is the denominator? 5. 2 4 by 5. So directly you can write like this also. Next, 17 by 4. 17 by 4. 17 by 4 means out of 17, how many completed 4s are there? 4 4 16s are there. 4 4s. That means 4 should write in whole number part. Then how much left will be there? 1 will be left there in numerator part. And what is the denominator? Same denominator, 4 1 by 4. So these are all our improper fractions. These are all our mixed fractions. 8 by 3 as 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. 14 by 5 improper fraction. 2 4 by 5 is a mixed fraction. 17 by 4 is a improper, and its mixed fraction is 4 1 by 4. While through the division or directly make it like this also. This is called conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Okay children, I will give some problems. You can write it home. Homework. Write 12 by 5, 7 by 3, 15 by 2. These three problems are converted into, these are our improper fractions, or convert into mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. So these are all our improper fractions. 12 by 5, numerator is greater than denominator. 7 by 3, here also numerator is greater than denominator. 15 by 2, this is also. You should be, all three fractions should be converted to mixed fractions. This is homework. Okay. Next, we will go for that. Now, opposite of this one. Now, conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Second one. Okay, children, are you observing? Now, second thought is conversion of a mixed fraction. Conversion of a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. An improper fractions. Conversion of mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Now, example. I will go for that one example. Example 1. 3 1 by 2. It is a mixed fraction. 3 is a whole number part. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. The combination of whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. 3 1 by 2. How can we change that 3 1 by 2 as into improper fraction? 3 1 by 2 is mixed fraction. You can convert into improper fraction. Very simple. You should be divided first these two, whole number and denominator. Whole number part and denominator should multiply. Whole number and denominator should multiply. That means 3 into 2, whole number part and denominator should multiply, plus, and should add the numerator to whole part, plus 1 by same denominator for 3 1 by 2. That is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2. So 3 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Its improper fraction is 7 by 2. 7 is more than the 2. Numerator part is greater than the denominator. So it is called an improper fraction. What is that? This is improper fraction. And this is mixed fraction. Like that. Second one. 5 2 by 3. 5 2 by 3. How can we change it? 5 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. I will convert that. The mixed fraction convert into improper. So you should multiply whole number part in denominator 5 into 3. For that should add the numerator plus 2 by the same denominator. That means 5 3s are 15. 5 3s 15 plus 2 by the denominator same 3. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 by 3. 17 by 3. Next, third one. 7 1 by 5. 7 1 by 5. How can we change it? 7 into 5 plus 1 by 5. 7 5 is 35 plus 1 by 5. That is equal to 36 by 3. Now 36 by 5. 36 by 5. 36 by 5. Now once you see that. Now mixed fractions are converted into improper fractions. 3 1 by 2 is improper fraction. Mixed fraction. Its improper fraction is 7 by 2. 5 2 by 3 is mixed fraction. Its improper is 17 by 3. 7 1 by 4 is mixed fraction. Its improper is 36 by 5. Children, I will give some more problems you can do at home. Okay children, are you up to it? Now I will do something. Homework is 9 1 by 3, 2 1 by 5, 8 1 by 3. Convert into improper fractions. So 9 1 by 3, 2 1 by 5, 8 1 by 3 or the mixed fractions convert into improper fractions. These are the homework. These are homework. The mixed fractions are converted into. Now equivalent fractions. Initial number. 17. Okay children. Today I will explain that one. What is that? Conversion of improper fraction into mixed fractions and mixed fractions to improper fractions. Tomorrow I am going to be discussing about that equivalent fractions and lowest fractions. Equivalent fractions and simplification fractions. Tomorrow we are going to teach that one. Now you have to write these are all in classwork notebooks and finish your homework. Okay children? Bye.